Why don't you leave me alone? You see my big gun view. Oh, just need to be on my own, 'cause I know what to do. And I can't tell you how this fell through. I don't know at all. Spare me the words, I know that I can prove you. I can prove you wrong.
I came with a different cadence. I pray for the situation, and I can't be infiltrated. Live for the growth that's incubated. Why all of my wins debated? Still tough to continue on. I know that you think I'm playing, you still can't admit you wrong. There is a different way. It's more than just getting paid. It ain't a conventional road, I'm thinking you know it slipped away. I'm needing it more than I ever have. Talking support that I never had. I realize you think there's a better path. Which of them make me a better man? I know you think you helping, but just move along. No matter what you tell me, I'ma prove you wrong.
Why don't you leave me alone? You see my big gun view. Oh, just need to be on my own, 'cause I know what to do. And I can't tell you how this fell through. I don't know at all. Spare me the words, I know that I can prove you. I can prove you wrong.
Get out of my ear today. I don't need to hear the way. Not from a person that faces a burden and always just hears away. I know that you wantin' the best for me. All you've been doing is stressing me. You and me got different recipes. I'm sorry, but blame it on destiny. No hard feelings, but that's just how I am. I don't need your power plan. Second guessing now I can't understand. Anything that gets me fired's getting fanned. Anything to prove you wrong is straight supplying my demand. Bam. I know you think you helping, but just move along. No matter what you tell me, I'ma prove you wrong.
Why don't you leave me alone? You see my big gun view. Oh, just need to